Humans are not the fastest animals on Earth. We don't have claws, sharp teeth, or armor. But we do have one incredible advantage: endurance. Today, 10 facts that explain why humans can keep going longer than almost any other species. Fact 1. We can cool our bodies better than most animals. The human body has millions of sweat glands spread across almost every part of the skin. This is something very unusual in the animal world. When our body temperature rises, these glands produce sweat, which then evaporates and removes heat from the body. This process is extremely efficient, especially during long periods of movement. Many animals, like dogs, rely mostly on panting to cool down. But panting works well only for short periods and is much less effective during continuous activity. Because of this, animals often overheat much faster than humans. They are forced to stop, rest, and recover. Humans, on the other hand, can continue moving for much longer without reaching dangerous temperatures. This ability to stay cool is one of the main reasons why humans are capable of long-distance running, even in hot environments like savannas or deserts. Fact 2. We are built for long-distance running. At first glance, the human body might not look impressive compared to other animals. But when it comes to endurance, our structure is almost perfect. Our long legs allow us to take fewer steps over long distances, saving energy. Our feet have strong arches and elastic tendons that act like natural springs. With every step, energy is stored and then released, reducing the effort needed to keep moving. We also have a unique ability to stabilize our heads while running, which helps maintain balance and vision. Our upright posture allows better breathing compared to animals that run on four legs. Some scientists believe early humans used a method called persistence hunting. Instead of chasing prey quickly, they would track animals for hours, sometimes even days. The animal would eventually collapse from exhaustion and heat, while humans could continue moving. Fact 3. We have a powerful and efficient circulatory system. The heart is one of the most important organs for endurance. During physical activity, it increases the amount of blood it pumps every minute. This blood carries oxygen from the lungs to the muscles, where it is used to produce energy. It also delivers nutrients and removes waste products like carbon dioxide and lactic acid. An efficient circulatory system means muscles receive everything they need to keep working for a long time. It also means waste products are removed quickly, which delays the feeling of fatigue. Over time, with regular activity, the heart becomes stronger and more efficient, allowing even greater endurance. Fact 4. Our muscles are built for endurance. Human muscles contain a large number of slow-twitch muscle fibers. These fibers are specially designed for long-duration activity. They use oxygen efficiently and produce energy slowly but steadily. Unlike fast-twitch fibers, which are used for short bursts of power, slow-twitch fibers can keep working for a very long time without tiring. This is why endurance athletes, like marathon runners or cyclists, rely heavily on these fibers. They allow the body to maintain a steady pace for hours. Even people who are not athletes still have these fibers, which means endurance is a natural ability built into the human body. Fact 5. Our brain controls how long we can last. Endurance is not just about muscles or the heart. It is also controlled by the brain. The brain constantly receives signals from the body and makes decisions about how much effort is safe. If the body starts overheating or running low on energy, the brain creates a feeling of fatigue. This forces us to slow down or stop before serious damage occurs. This system is sometimes called a safety mechanism. It protects the body, but it can also limit performance. Interestingly, this means that in many cases, people stop not because their body is completely exhausted, but because the brain is trying to keep them safe. With training and experience, people can learn to push this limit further. Fact 6. We use energy very efficiently. The human body is extremely flexible when it comes to energy use. It does not rely on just one source of fuel. At the beginning of activity, the body mainly uses glucose, which provides quick energy. As activity continues, it gradually switches to burning fat, which provides a much larger and longer-lasting energy supply. We also store glycogen in our muscles and liver, which acts as a backup energy source during prolonged effort. This ability to switch between different types of fuel allows humans to keep moving long after other animals would run out of energy. Fact 7. We can adapt and improve over time. One of the most powerful features of the human body is its ability to adapt. When we train regularly, the body responds by becoming more efficient. Muscle cells produce more mitochondria, which are responsible for generating energy. Blood vessels grow and improve oxygen delivery. The heart becomes stronger and can pump more blood with less effort. Even the way our body uses energy becomes more efficient. Over time, activities that once felt difficult become much easier. This means endurance is not fixed. It can be developed and improved significantly with training. Fact 8. Our lungs support long activity. The lungs play a key role in endurance by supplying oxygen to the body. During physical activity, breathing becomes faster and deeper, allowing more oxygen to enter the bloodstream. This oxygen is essential for producing energy in muscles, especially during long periods of effort. The more efficiently the lungs work, the more oxygen the body can use, and the longer a person can stay active. With training, lung capacity and efficiency can improve, allowing even better performance over time. Fact 9. Mental strength plays a huge role. Endurance is not just physical, it is also mental. In many situations, the body is capable of continuing, but the mind wants to stop. Humans have the ability to push through discomfort, fatigue, and even pain. Motivation, discipline, and focus can keep a person moving long after they feel like quitting. This mental strength is what allows athletes to finish marathons, climbers to reach the top, and ordinary people to push beyond their limits. In many ways, true endurance is a combination of physical ability and mental determination. Fact 10. We evolved to survive. For thousands of years, human survival depended on endurance. Early humans had to travel long distances to find food and water. They hunted, gathered, and adapted to changing environments. Those who could keep moving longer had a better chance of survival. Over many generations, this shaped the human body into what it is today. Instead of being the fastest or the strongest, humans became one of the most enduring species on the planet. This ability allowed us to explore new lands, survive difficult conditions, and eventually build civilizations. Endon. G. Humans may not be the strongest or the fastest creatures on Earth, but endurance is our superpower. It helped us explore the world, survive extreme conditions, and build civilizations. And it's something every one of us still carries today. If you found this interesting, write in the comments which fact surprised you the most. And subscribe to the channel for more amazing facts about humans and our world.